The Air Power Spindle is an air-powered, ultra-precision spindle which is able to reach a maximum speed of 120,000 RPM and was developed for micro-machining with tool diameters under 40 thousandths of an inch. There are two types of air power spindle. The bearing type RBX, which is available in 3 variations depending on your highest required speed, and the air hydrostatic bearing type RSX, which achieves the highest dynamic runout possible. All of the units are checked for dynamic runout accuracy before delivery. Since the machine tool spindle is not rotating, the air-driven unit greatly minimizes axial displacement. Automatic tool change is available for the ceramic ball bearing type RBX. Let's watch an example of micro-machining with the Air Power Spindle.